Stonehenge in England, ancient hunting ground or alien base. 1,000 years ago, a British priest was traveling on a missionary journey. Passing through the village of Amesbury, about 100 kilometers southwest of London, he heard from the locals about a remarkable structure nearby. They said it was an ancient relic, and even from a distance, it inspired awe. Intrigued, the priest asked a local farmer to guide him to the site. The farmer led him across the vast plain, and suddenly, a massive stone formation came into view, leaving the priest astonished. He saw numerous rectangular megaliths arranged in a circle, forming a unique landscape. Some of the stones were topped with horizontal stones, resembling ancient architectural structures. A miracle, the priest exclaimed repeatedly, almost falling to his knees in awe. Upon returning to London, he named the structure Stonehenge, and he spread the word about this sacred place throughout England. Soon after, scientists arrived to study Stonehenge. They found that it was composed of numerous trilithons. A trilithon consists of two parallel vertical stones topped with a horizontal stone. Each of these stones weighs between 30 to 50 tons, raising questions about how ancient people transported them to this location. This led to the central mystery: what was the purpose of Stonehenge? Scientists unearthed many human and animal bones near Stonehenge, leading them to believe that it might have been an ancient burial ground or a site for ancestral worship, with the animals serving as sacrificial offerings. In modern times, scientists made another astounding discovery. By calculating the structure of the stone and earth rings, they claimed that Stonehenge could be used to observe 12 positions of the sun and moon, predicting the rise and set of celestial bodies across different seasons. Thus, Stonehenge might have been an ancient astronomical observatory. In April 2008, British archaeologists analyzed the stones of Stonehenge and determined their approximate age. They found that Stonehenge is about 4,300 years old, predating the Egyptian pyramids by 700 years. This raised the question: did the ancestors of England possess such advanced astronomical knowledge at that time? Moreover, if Stonehenge was merely a burial site or altar, why use such massive stones? The area where Stonehenge stands is a vast plain with no stones. Transporting these enormous stones from the distant mountains of Wales would have been a monumental task for ancient people. This led to a new theory: Stonehenge was originally not an ancient temple but a hunting ground. In ancient times, people relied on hunting and gathering for food. However, there were too few animals on the plains, leading to frequent food shortages and hunger among the tribes. To aid in hunting, tribes cooperated to transport huge stones from afar and erect them on the plain. They left gaps between the stones, creating a formation where animals could be herded into and trapped. Unfortunately, the stones were so massive that transporting them was extremely difficult. As people gradually learned to cultivate the plains, they no longer needed to rely on hunting for survival. Consequently, the construction of Stonehenge was abandoned halfway. Later, people buried their ancestors' remains under the stones, turning it into a communal burial ground. This might be the true origin of Stonehenge. After enduring over 4,000 years of wind and rain, many of the massive stones have fallen, and some have disappeared, diminishing its original grandeur. Nonetheless, this ancient structure continues to exude a sacred aura, captivating modern people and prompting ongoing research year after year to uncover its mysteries.